Joplin News First, powered by Foresight's homepage. I'm Shannon Becker. We're on Cimarron Road, just to the east of Chapel. And this single vehicle crash this morning. Vehicle overturned. Corporal Pruitt of the Missouri State Highway Patrol tell us happened about 8:40, and the vehicle left the roadway, traveled about 300 feet, overturning and trapping the driver inside. Possibly connected to medical issues this morning. Driver was transported to an area hospital. Condition is unknown at this time. The top of the vehicle was removed so they could, what you call, extricate him from the wreckage. Missouri State Highway Patrol are still investigating. Joplin News First is powered by Foresight's homepage in partnership with KSN 16 Local News and KOD 12 Action News. We'll update our story with more information when you click the bit link. It'll take you to our news tab. Sponsored exclusively by Wood & Peterson, YoshoAttorney.com.